What's going on? Today I'm going to do a video on installing a Weed Guardian on a native propel drive prop. The Weed Guardian comes in this little box. I haven't even opened it and looked at it yet. Helps to, let me get turned around, keep weeds and other things from getting tangled in the prop, in the gap that's in there, as easy. So I'm going to give this a try here real quick. First, let me I purchased this from Frontier Outdoors Kayak Fishing. They're in Tennessee. It was, as you can see, $16.99. Well, this is it. It's a little more than I was expecting. I was expecting a just almost like maybe a thick rubber band that goes around it. I've already got a number 4 metric Allen wrench. Just gonna remove the prop here. Switch hands. This doesn't seem too complicated. Pull the prop off. So this looks like it sits right in this groove here. It's got these 2 grooves on the back. Oh, maybe they don't line up. Let's see. Well, that looks like the opposite, so it must go in this direction. Put this pin back in. Or not. Oh, it looks like it's actually easier than that. It seems like it just drops right over the pin. Oh, well, that's even easier than I expected there. Obviously, this piece goes right back over. Get it locked in. Screw back in. Just try and tighten it here. There we go. So it doesn't have any play in it. Once you tighten it down, it's on there pretty good. You can definitely see how it fills the gap. It's a solid piece of material. Not even sure what it is, some type of composite or plastic, but it's on there pretty good. It doesn't seem to create any additional drive noise. So, well, with that said, I'm excited to try it out. I'll definitely leave a review as soon as I have it back on the water and can leave an honest review on it. So, but alright, well, that does it for this one. Make sure you like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.